to convict their people that they have in custody.
Yes.
And the first time Jamaican government use it, if they lose that case, it would be a very dangerous dent in the police force.
It would be an indictment on the government and the police force of Jamaica.
It would have
the justice system
destroyed
of
the
Jamaica.
justice system of Jamaica.
And you're saying that to say?
They wasn't being gonna lose. There's no lose for that case because the police, they go all out to win it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't think the evidence was compelling enough?
Well, I'm going to give you a joke, you know. There are certain things in the case where you have to look at, you know. Where even the people in the case, they're doing some very serious stupidness.
What do you think is the most compelling piece of evidence in the case for the prosecution?
The most compelling piece of evidence to me in that